Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Design Cafe Homes. I'm your interior architect Ananya Jois, and today we're here at Mr. Mahesh's 2.5 BHK. Now this family wanted something homely and clutter-free. However, we've given a fun twist by adding bright colors to an otherwise neutral palette to keep things interesting. And the family absolutely loved this. Well, quickly subscribe to our channel if you still haven't, and let's dive in. This modern eclectic house is designed for the working couple, Mr. and Mrs. Juthiawar, and their 10-year-old son, Shubhan, as their vacation home. When they came with their requirements, being it a weekend home, we accepted the challenge of making it budget-friendly and at the same time just as much interesting. This lively family had their heart set on natural finishes and neutral color palette. Moreover, they specifically requested their son's bedroom to have a large study table with ample natural light and a bunk bed above it, something he always fancied. The foyer is designed with storage space for books and also for showcasing artifacts. The living room seating is designed with a brown leatherette recliner sofa to give a cozy and comfortable feel while watching the weekend movies together with family and friends. The pop of blue and yellow color in the foyer unit adds playful touch to the space and breaks the monotony. The attached balcony is the perfect place for meditation, enjoying a cup of coffee, or just admiring the wonderful view of the lakeshore decorated with artificial lawn carpet. This traditional rustic kitchen is designed with a modern twist and built with a combination of textured and high-gloss laminate. This family loves everything rustic but didn't want to compromise on modern functionality. So we came up with this perfect balance of glossy and matte finishes with pure granite top, giving this kitchen a rustic feel with modern functionality. The interesting thing about this kitchen is the slider unit on the wall above the granite platform, which adds more storage in this compact kitchen. Well, hey, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. The kids' bedroom is equipped with a bunk bed that allows to have a large study table, utilizing the floor space efficiently with lots of natural light and ventilation. The wardrobe is specifically designed for the kids, which has large drawers to keep all the toys, sports kits, etc. Study table has storage space on both sides. Well, that was everything about this vacation home that we designed for Mr. and Mrs. Juthiawar. Do give us a thumbs up if you think this is the most ideal weekend home to escape to from our busy schedules. Also, in the comment section below, do let us know what is your must-have element in a weekend home. Of course, if you're looking for interiors, you can fill out the form that is in the description box below, and you'll get a free design consultation from our expert interior designers. Until next time, see you all.